Chicago Locksmith Expert. Chicago Locksmith Expert is a local locksmith company based in Chicago, Illinois. We provide commercial and residential locksmith services in all of Chicago, Cook County and DuPage County. We serve other locations in Chicago Metropolitan Area within Illinois. Our services include lock installation, lock repair, house rekeying, access control system, ADA access code and fire safety compliance, emergency lockout services and more. We are a forward-looking company focused to help grow your business. Whether you're big or small, we tailor solutions that work for you. We provide top-notch locksmith services in and around Chicago, Illinois, Chicago, Cook County, DuPage County, Elmhurst, Joliet, and more. We are passionate about keeping people safe and secure. Residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, emergency locksmith. We are the local Chicago locksmith you can trust. Chicago Locksmith Expert. ChicagoLocksmithExpert.com